solve the dE, V du is equal to quantity e raised to v plus 2uv minus 2u dv. So, ano namang type of differential equation ito? So, try natin kung possible siyang maging linear DE. Let's try kung pwedeng maging linear DE in U. So, kung itatry natin gawing linear DE in U, dapat it should take the form du over dv plus p of v times u equals q of v, right? So, mamanipulate natin, papalabasin natin ganitong form. Anong gagawin natin? Pwede tayong mag-multiply both sides by what? So, kailangan may du over dv tayo. Diba? So, since meron tayong v over du, mawawala dapat yung coefficient na v kay du. So, magmumultiply ako ng 1 over v para makancel to. Tapos, kailangan ng over dv kay du. So, magmumultiply din ako ng 1 over dv. Okay? So, mamultiply natin 1 over v dv both sides. Let's check kung magiging linear dE in u. So, dito sa left, makakancel mo yung v. Magiging du over dv. Tapos, dito sa right, makakancel mo si dv. So, magiging ito, e to the v plus 2uv minus 2u over v ka pa. Right? Yan. So, simplify na lang natin. Napansin ko dito, pwedeng i-factor out si 2u. So, du over dv is equal to e raised to v plus, ipa-factor out ko muna dito si 2u. Dito. So, pag pinactor out si 2u, magiging 2u times the quantity v minus 1, right? Divided by v. Tapos, saka ko i-distribute dito si v kay e to the v tapos dito sa expression. So, magiging du over dv equals e to the v over v plus 2uv minus 1 over v. Yan. So, ang gagawin na lang natin, itatranspose na lang natin itong 2uv minus 1 over v sa kaliwa para maging linear na siya. So, magiging du over dv minus 2uv minus 1 over v. Diba? Equals e to the v over v. So, linear na siya in u. It takes the form na ganito na. Diba? Kung ipapattern natin sa linear DE in u form, ito na yung du over dv. Ito yung u. Right? Ano yung p of v? P of v is yung function of v na nakamultiply kay u. Etong lahat ng to. Negative 2 times v minus 1 over v. Negative 2 times v minus 1 over v. Okay. Then, ang q of v natin is, q of v is yung function of v sa left side, ay sa right side, yung e to the v over v. Okay? Ito pwede pa tong i-simplify. Simplify nga natin. Distribute natin yung negative 2. So, magiging negative 2v plus 2 over v. And then, distribute yung v. Negative 2 over v plus 2 over v. So, cancel itong v. Negative 2 plus 2 over v. Okay? Or unahin natin tong positive para mas maganda. Unahin ko lang yung 2 over V minus 2. Okay, ito yung simplified P of V. Next, so kapag nahanap na natin yung value ng P of V tsaka Q of V, diba, to solve any linear DE, gagamitan natin ng integrating factor. IF na lang for short. Ang formula sa integrating factor is e raised to the integral ng P of V dV. So, e raised to the integral, ano yung ba yung P of V natin? Ito, 2 over V minus 2 times dV. So, pwede nyong i-distribute yung integral symbol. So, lalabas itong 2 integral ng 1 over V dV minus itong 2 lalabas din, integral ng dV. So, e raised to 2, ano yung integral ng 1 over V dV? ln V, right? Minus 2, integral ng dV, V. Yan. Tapos, pwede natin itong i-simplify by power rule of ln. Itong 2 pwede nyong gawing exponent ni V, di ba? Kung meron kang ln x to the n, it is equal to n ln x. So, magiging e to the ln of V squared minus 2V. Tapos, pwede ko tong gawing e to the ln of V squared times e to the negative 2V. Anong yan, law? Multiplication law of exponent, right? Kung meron kang x to the m times x to the n, it is equal to x to the m plus n. Okay? So, by inverse property, ito, makakancel mo yung e to the ln kasi kung may e to the ln x ka, equal lang yan sa expression inside the ln. So, magiging absolute value ng v squared e to the negative 2v. Okay? Pero yung absolute value, hindi na yan mahalaga. Kahit i-disregard nyo na lang, gawin nyo na lang v squared e to the negative 2v integrating factor. So, ito yung integrating factor natin. V squared e to the negative 2v. Next, so kapag nakuha nyo na yung integrating factor, pwede na nating isulat yung general solution. So, ang general solution ng first order linear DE is palagi yung, kung ano yung dependent variable nyo, which is in our problem, si u, right? So, dependent variable u times nyo sa integrating factor, then equal sa integral ng q of v times the integrating factor dv plus c. Yan. So, isa-substitute na lang natin yung integrating factor. So, u, ano yung integrating factor? V squared e to the negative 2v equals integral ng yung q of v natin kanina, e to the v over v. So, e to the v over v, yung q of v, tas times the integrating factor ulit, same, v squared e to the negative 2v dv plus c. Yan. So, integrate natin to. Simplify ko muna. Makakancel mo tong v, tsaka sa v squared, magiging v to the first na lang. Tapos, e to the v times e to the negative 2b. So, same base sila na e, copy nyo. Then, by multiplication law of exponent, raised to the sum nung exponent, right? So, v plus negative 2v, negative v. Okay, so paano i-integrate ang v e to the negative v dv? Ang gagamitin natin is integration by parts. IBP. Okay, so pwede yung DI method or tabular method or yung typical formula. Sige, yung DI method gagamitin ko. So, if gumamit tayo ng DI method, or wag na lang, no, yung ano na lang, typical na lang, sige. So, kung yung typical integration by parts, dapat ano siya, di ba? U dv is equal to UV minus integral ng V du. Kaso, ang mga variables natin is U and V eh. Palitan natin, gawin kong TW, TDW is equal to TW minus integral ng W TDT. Okay? Kasi ang variable natin sa given is U and V. So, pinalitan ko yung formula ng integration by parts ng new variable TW. So, ano yung ile-let T natin? Yung V. Okay? Tapos yung dW is yung e to the negative V dV. Yan. So, sa T, i-derivative natin yon. Derivative ng T dt, derivative ng V dV. Sa dW, i-integrate. Bale, integral ng dW, integral ng e to the negative V dV. Diba? That's negative e to the negative V. Okay? So, therefore, integral ng V e to the negative V dV is applying the formula TW. So, T is V. W is negative e to the negative V minus integral ng W, negative e to the negative V dt dV. Yan. So, magiging negative V, unahin ko yung negative sign, negative V e to the negative V. And then, lalabas yung negative dito. Negative times negative, positive. Integral ng e to the negative V dV. So, negative V e to the negative V plus, integral ng e to the negative V ulit. Negative e to the negative V. Okay? Or kung gusto nyo naka-factor out si negative e to the negative V, magiging times quantity V plus 1. Okay? So, ito yung integral. Then, bring down natin yung nasa left side, bring down uv squared e to the negative 2v. So, uv squared e to the negative 2v. And then, may plus c tayo dito. Okay, so, kung gusto mong alisin tong negative exponent dv, kasi equal yan sa uv squared over e to the 2v. Bababa siya sa denominator kapag negative exponent. Equal to, ito rin magiging negative quantity v plus 1 over e to the v plus c. So, kung gusto nyo alisin yung denominator, multiply by the LCD. LCD ng e to the 2v and e to the v, e to the 2v. Okay? Para walang denominator. So, dito makakancel mo si e to the 2v, uv squared na lang. Equal, so dito makakancel mo si e to the v, yung e to the 2v, meron ka pang isang e to the v. I mean, e raised to the 1v, right? Negative, tapos times v plus 1. Okay? And then, plus c times e to the 2v, c e to the 2v. Okay, so this is the general solution.